Hello everyone, watch the video till the end to see how to make a rocket. This is a rocket that can be made very quickly. If you also make other rockets, let me know in the comments. It is very simple. I don't know how to speak English, so I am using Google Translate to tell you how to do it in this video. I don't know how to speak English, so I am using Google Translate to tell you. So do what you show in the video. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments. If you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments and I will answer them. Let me know what kind of video you want me to make in the comments and I will try to answer them. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer them or make a video. God bless you and protect you all.